Gonna leave now. We're off on another venture. Thank you for stopping by and welcome to the channel. Today's video will be taking the bullet train from Tokyo to Hiroshima. And we're leaving our hotel and it's roughly 4:30 in the morning. Oh, it's humid. So we got about a 15 to 20 minute walk back to the train station. And unfortunately, it's spitting out. Now we gotta catch another train. A bullet train. Well, it's roughly 4:30 in the morning, so there's not a lot of people around. Oh, there's a JR train. That's the bridge. Oh, look at this place. Shop in the middle of nowhere.
It's a hotel.
Is it?
Oh, there's the station.
Oh, here. Oh, here's the station. Finally. No luggage. Son's getting tickets. Humid down here. So now we're gonna check on Google Maps on where to buy the bullet train tickets. Could ask the guy there. Downstairs. To the right.
Let me see.
I'm gonna ask. How we go through. I didn't see the other thing. Now we got 5 tickets. You gonna use my credit card? No. It's expensive, isn't it? $300.
Yeah.
You'll see on my left, the JR ticket booth isn't even open yet.
Should I try to get a super quick over there?
Yeah.
My son went off to look for where to buy the Shinkansen bullet train tickets. Gotta come down here to get the bullet train tickets. We gotta get reserved seating. It's the oversized bag. JR line tickets. So this is where he bought the tickets. Cheers. This is outside. So let's go back inside and look for the platform where we have to catch our train. Here you put your ticket through, and then on the other side you grab it. If something's wrong with your fare, the barrier will shut and it won't let you go through. Well, this is where they have the bento box. So we're gonna grab some food and drinks because it's roughly a 4-hour train ride. So it's before 6 a.m. and they haven't restocked all the bento boxes yet. Chicken 820. On the other side they have snacks and we're going to check that out too. So the guy just came with the cart to restock the bento boxes. 1,240 yen. Tokyo banana. So the music's coming from the cart, which the guy has more supplies. What's 2,000 yen? That's like 20 cents.
20, yeah.
Box. Pikachu. Yeah. 350 bucks. Cookies. And drinks. And then we stop. Want to stand beside it? So we're heading down the escalator to our platform where we gotta catch our train. So if it's your first time coming to Japan, I'd come about an hour early so you could find where the platform and where to buy your tickets. See where the blue lines are? That's where you line up for the train. So most of the people in Japan don't butt in line, it's bad manners.
6 and 13 through 16.
Already tells you when the train's coming. On the right one it says train approaching. Here it comes. Also in Japan, you're supposed to stand off to the side and let the people out before you enter the train. Well, most of the people do that here.
And track number 23 is Nozomi 107 bound for Hiroshima via Kyoto. The next stop is Shinagawa.
reserved seats, and we bought the end so we could put our luggage there. So we found the train takes off gradually, and when you get close to the outer limits of the city, then you'll feel that it picks up to full speed. So when the train kicks into full speed, you can feel the slight G-force pushing you back in your seat. You go around the corner, you can feel the G-force pushing you in the seat slightly. So we found the train to be pretty smooth. So in our seats, we get a side tray and the front tray too. So you also get a footrest, which you can put your feet on with your shoes, but you can flip it over the other way, take off your shoes, and rest your feet on there with your socks. And the announcements are made in Japanese and English.
Welcome to the Shinkansen. This is the Nozomi Super Express, bound for Hiroshima. We will be stopping at Shin Yokohama, Nagoya, Kyoto, Shin Osaka, Shin Kobe, Himeji, and Okayama stations before arriving at Hiroshima Terminal.
So you'll notice outside when we left Tokyo, it's cloudy and rainy.
特大荷物コーナーについて重ねてご案内いたします。現在、洗面台横の特大荷物コーナーは予約不要でご利用いただけます。皆様で
次の停車駅は名古屋です。ご利用のお客様はお手持ちの切符よくお確かめの上、お乗り間違いございませんようご注意ください。のぞみ107号広島行きです。まもなく新横浜です。お出口は右側です。
Did already.
Like that. All the way. Another time all the way.
This is good. Got the plum one. I like the plum. Yeah. Be better if I had to show you.
広島行きです。終席は1号車と2号車です。
Like it?
This one's good, yeah.
I like it. You like it? Yeah, that one's good. I like it better than the plum.
Also, when the train hits like a bump, you float in the air and you can feel it in your stomach like a Ferris wheel. Also, when you pass another train, you can feel the suction and your train moves a bit. And see how fast we pass through the train station. So on our way to Hiroshima, you'll be traveling through a lot of towns, open fields, mountains, and going through the tunnels in the mountains. And as we head further south, the weather cleared up.
Please change trains here at Shin Osaka.
like the look of this JR bullet train as we're leaving Osaka Station. So our bullet train is Shinkansen rail. Train's almost empty. Station's ours, Hiroshima. As you can see, everybody lines up on the left side and you use the right side to pass, and you're not supposed to butt in line, you're supposed to go to the back of the line, which most of the people do here, but not all of them. My son's checking out Google Map and trying to figure out how to get to the Pokémon Center. So we wanted to make sure that it's not inside the station, but on one of the outer stores. So now we're gonna leave the station and look for it. Well, there's the Pokemon store, but you have to go outside and then enter from the outside entrance. This is the exit only. We're going in the Pokemon store in Hiroshima. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. I hope to see you in our next video.